Question 1. Which Indian state is called the Falcon capital of the world? Correct answer is B. Nagaland. Question 2. Which of following is the most bravery award of India? Correct answer is D. Param Veer Chakra. Question 3. Who said Jaya Jawan, Jaya Kisan, Jaya Vigyan? Correct answer is A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question 4. Who was the last deputy chairman of the Planning Commission? Correct answer is D. Shri Montek Singh Ahluwalia. Question 5. First Indian satellite, Aryabhatta, was launched in which year? Correct answer is C. April 19, 1975. Question 6. Which of the following is known as Deshbandhu? Correct answer is A. Chitranjan Das. Question 7. Who had established Banaras Hindu University? Correct answer is C. Madan Mohan Malviya. Question 8. In which year the National Commission for Women was set up? Correct answer is A. 1992. Question 9. Who is known as Bharat Kokila? Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Question 10. As per the 2011 census, which of the following is the least populated state in India? Correct answer is B. Sikkim. Question 11. The Indian Standard Time is taken from which of the following city? Correct answer is A. Allahabad. Question 12. The southernmost point of India, Indira Point, is in? Correct answer is C. Great Nicobar. Question 13. Who has built Allahabad Fort? Correct answer is C. Jalauddin Akbar. Question 14. In which article of the Constitution of India, the office of the Attorney General for India provided? Correct answer is B. Article 76. Question 15. Make in India project has been launched in which year? Correct answer is A. 2014. Question 16. Congress passed a resolution for full freedom in which place? Correct answer is D. Lahore. Question 17. Which of the following is known as the Shakespeare of India? Correct answer is A. Kalidas. Question 18. Who is the author of My Experiment with Truth? Correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 19. Who was the first Muslim invader in India? Correct answer is A. Muhammad bin Qasim. Question 20. Which city is known as Chattoro Ka Sahar? Correct answer is C. Indore. Question 21. Valmiki National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is located at? Correct answer is C. Bihar. Question 22. The Grand Trunk Road was built by? Correct answer is B. Sher Shah Suri. Question 23. The Bengali newspaper was founded by which of the following revolutionaries? Correct answer is D. Surendranath Banerjee. Question 24. Which part of the Constitution makes provisions with regard to the electoral system in India? Correct answer is A. Part 15. Question 25. World Environment Day was celebrated for the first time under which slogan? Correct answer is B. Only One Earth. Question 26. Who had completed the structure of Qutub Minar? Correct answer is B. Iltutmish. Question 27. During the Quit India movement, which operation was conducted by the Britishers to arrest the Indian leaders? Correct answer is B. Operation Zero Hour. Question 28. Diksha web portal, is associated with which union ministry? Correct answer is A. Ministry of Education. Question 29. Which article of the Constitution of India provides that there will be governors of states? Correct answer is C. Article 153. Question 30. In which year was the Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan? Correct answer is B.1960. Question 31. Which of the following city is known as Brass City? Correct answer is D. Moradabad. Question 32. Battle of Hydaspes was fought on bank of which river? Correct answer is D. Jhelum River. Question 33. In which year ISRO was established? Correct answer is A.1969. Question 34. Which among the following authorities decides how far the fundamental rights can apply to the members of the armed forces in India? Correct answer is C. Parliament of India. Question 35. First state which has been established on behalf of language. Correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. Question 36. The first national emergency in India was declared in which year? Correct answer is C. 1962. Question 37. Where is the headquarters of International Cricket Council located? Correct answer is D. Dubai. Question 38. India and which neighboring country exchange lists of civilian prisoners and fishermen in their custody every year on the 1st of January and the 1st of July? Correct answer is A. Pakistan. Question 39. We observe National Science Day on which date? Correct answer is C. The 28th of February. Question 40. Iron Pillar is located in which place? Correct answer is D. Qutub Minar Complex. Question 41. In which year was the 12th plan completed? Correct answer is C.2017. Question 42. What was brought in place of the Planning Commission in 2014? Correct answer is A. Niti Aayog.